Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be working on this very beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your ladies shawl, cardigan, sweater, jean sweater. See, this is an scarf as well. This is the way it looks like. See, I have done with this border. Wrong side looks like this, wrong side looks beautiful as well. See, so this is only 4 rows repeat pattern and you'll need to cast in multiples of 2, or you can cast in any even number stitches, right? So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 12 stitches on my needle, which is a even number. And now row 1 right side, this first is knit through the back loop or knit through the front loop, and after this stitch yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, knit 2 together through the back loop. That's the repeat. Here to here, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, right? Repeat that again, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, and then this one stitch, knit 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right, and row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. You slip this purl stitch and purl this yarn over. So slip 1, purl 1, slip this purl stitch and purl this yarn over, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, and edge stitch, slip 1, slip on the wrong side or purl, you can purl as well. So we have done row 1 and row 2 here. Now row 3, knit your first stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Sorry, knit 1 first, knit this first stitch, knit 1 first, and now start the repeat from here. The repeat pattern is same, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, these two, see, these two together through the back loop, see, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, and last one, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back loop, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Row 4 wrong side, last row, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat. Purl 1, purl this yarn over, purl 1, slip 1. That's the repeat. Purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, and last stitch, slip 1. So that's the repeat. Now repeat these 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.